porch sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides, always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies, you know it is all lies.
Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm starting off making a to-do list. I found myself forgetting a lot, so writing it down is going to help me stay on track. So today I'm starting off in the fridge. I just can't put it off any longer. I'm seeing something spilled on the bottom there and the shelves are dirty and crummy. So today's the day I tackle this. I just want to take a minute to welcome anyone who's new to my channel. I'm Gina and I make a ton of cleaning motivation videos along with hauls and decor and some room makeovers. So if that's the kind of content you like, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I'd love to have you here. And if you're a returning viewer, make sure to say hi to me in the comments. Let me know what you're doing this weekend. So here I took everything out of the fridge. I was considering maybe taking everything out one shelf at a time, wiping it and putting it back. But I was just gonna move quickly, take everything out. Then I end up wiping everything down with the Dawn Power Spray. And I worked really fast because I didn't want my food and everything sitting on the countertop for a long time. Here I'm just grabbing a toothpick to get into some of the crevices of the fridge. So I have a carton of new eggs that I just want to rotate. So I'm going to put the older eggs off to the side, put the new ones at the bottom, and then put the older ones on the top. So every time I do this, I do make sure to break off the little expiry date from the egg carton, and I just stick it in there with the eggs. So I just got a wipe to wipe down this jar because it had some crusty stuff on it. Something must have spilled, so just wiping down the jar before putting it back into the nice clean fridge. So today I wasn't going to do the shelves on the door, but I did notice this one shelf here. I do keep my milk in it. it was getting kind of cruddy and dirty, so I did have to give it a quick wash. Guys, let me know down below in the comments, how often do you clean your fridge?
And I'm dying to tell you, well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No,
So I didn't have much food to throw out, but there was a little bit of leftovers there, and then some little bocconcini cheese that had gone bad. So now I'm going to take the grapes off their vines, wash them, and put them in the container in the fridge so that they are ready to eat. I find that if you wash the fruit and put it away in the fridge, it'll most likely not go bad because it's easy for the kids to grab and eat whenever they want a snack. Or myself.
coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me.
So again, here I'm washing the blackberries and putting them into a little jar. This wasn't even a full container of blackberries, so it'll get eaten at least, if they're not done tonight, by tomorrow. So I don't mind washing them and putting them away. Fruit in this house doesn't last very long. So here's an overview of what the fridge looks like. Nice and clean, nothing spilled, everything looking shiny and in its place.
The fights, sort out of the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that.
So one of the things on my to-do list was to clean my oven. So I'm just gonna spray it down because it has to sit on here for an hour and then wipe it down. So while it's sitting and just doing its thing, I'm gonna clean the stovetop and then head to the microwave.
Keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na na na.
Okay, so you're ready for this? It's pretty gross. There's a lot of stuck on food there. I think one of the kids warmed up chili and it exploded everywhere. So I really need to get this clean and looking new again.
Down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no.
So here I just decide to take down the microwave because I knew I've never done this. So on top, there was so much dust up here. I'm so happy I did this because it definitely needed it. And even the shelf was just so dusty.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started.
So now it's nice, clean, shiny. We'll see how long this lasts. I got this little scraper here from Amazon. It works okay. I mean, I think there's different types. I might try and order a different one to see if it's any better, but like this does the job okay. Look how gross this is. It's disgusting. A lot of that was the product and then the dirt mixed in there, so it was just oddly satisfying to see that get lifted, but gross all at the same time. So I just wanted to say there was 2 things on my list that I didn't get done this day, and that's okay. If you make a list and you don't get everything done, you can do it another time. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.